And in 1992, proof came that the brain does make a compound very much like THC. It was discovered by none other than Raphael Mechoulam, who named it anandamide.
We call it the brain's own marijuana because the compound that is made by the brain, anandamide, shares all the properties in terms of at the receptor level and cellular level that THC has.
It turns out that when anandamide is released in the brain, like marijuana, it affects such basic things as appetite, pain, and memory. And it plays a critical role in a sometimes underappreciated mental function, forgetting.
When I first heard that, it didn't seem adaptive to me to have a drug for forgetting. Memory, we understand, has great survival utility. You learn that that's a poisonous mushroom or that's a dangerous animal and you stay away and you remember that. But why would forgetting be adaptive? And I asked Mechoulam this question, and he said, well, tell me, do you really want to remember all the faces you saw on the subway this morning? Forgetting well is almost as important as remembering well. Forgetting is about editing. It's about taking the flood, the ocean of sense information coming at you and forgetting everything but what's important. So life is not just about accumulating new memories. Memory can cripple us too. You have soldiers returning from war zones that are traumatized by experiences that, in effect, they can't unlearn. So if you could help them unlearn that, essentially a productive kind of forgetting, either with a drug or some other kind of regime, that would be incredibly useful.
And that's exactly what Aaron Lichtman is trying to do. He's studying how mice remember and forget. First, he trains them to find an underwater platform.
The mice are natural swimmers, but they're looking for a way out. They swim all around the perimeter of the tank. They're swimming, swimming, swimming. Sometimes they bump into the platform by mistake and they climb onto it. Other times they never find it. So then at this point, it's been at it for a while, and the experimenter has to gently guide them to it or place them on the platform.
Then, Lichtman takes the platform away. A normal mouse quickly realizes the platform is gone. But a mouse whose anandamide receptors have been blocked is unable to forget.
They don't learn to give up. They keep on looking for that platform even though it's gone.
Scientists like Lichtman hope that learning how to regulate anandamide may one day lead to treatments for people who are haunted by their memories.
If they can elevate naturally occurring anandamide in humans, we might be able to have whole new therapeutic targets to treat post-traumatic stress syndrome.
By using a plant that has been around for thousands of years, we discovered a new physiological system of immense importance. We wouldn't have been able to get there if we had not looked at the plant.